Welcome to our Himalayan pink salt processing plant. Today, I'll show you exactly how giant pink salt boulders are transformed.
All right, easy now. Dump it right there.
Sir.
Looks good. Make sure the large pieces are separated.
The raw salt is carefully crushed into manageable sizes while preserving its natural mineral composition.
Look at the vibration levels on Crusher 3.
Spiking. I'm initiating the dampeners now.
Confirmed. Levels stabilizing.
Each batch is carefully graded to meet strict quality standards for culinary and industrial applications. Every package is carefully inspected before it leaves the facility.
And that's how giant Himalayan pink salt boulders become the beautiful crystals found in kitchens around the world. Thanks for joining us.